welcome back to Sideways Standards. Today, the moment most of you have been waiting for, the much beloved RX8. Finally, finishing up putting the engine together. It has obviously the LS, it's got a new bump stick, it's got new valve train, we got all kinds of good stuff. Obviously, super excited. So, what all has been done to it is we got a new bump stick, new H-beam rods, new pistons, dome pistons to bump up the numbers a little bit. It's still on stock crank, new bearings throughout, everything should be good to go. Hoping to make some good power. Got a Holley high-rise intake, new bigger throttle body, new injectors on the way, all kinds of good stuff. So today, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap up what's remaining on this engine, put the accessories on, valley cover, and then intake and everything we'll be worried about later after I throw it in the car, because I need to do a lot of mocking up on the fuel system. Obviously the hood has to be cut, all kinds of good stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna get this ready to be put in. Head is on, push rods are in, rocker arms are in, everything's torqued to spec. All that's left is just the front accessories, water pump, power steering, pulleys, all that stuff. And then tomorrow, since it's late right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take it off the stand after putting all the accessories on and put on the flywheel, pressure plate, clutch, all that good stuff, throw the trans on, and then it will be ready to go back in the car. So, back at it tomorrow. All the front accessories are on. I'm just gonna tape up the heads on the intake ports, make sure nothing falls in there, and then get it on the engine hoist, start working on the backside. Engine is fully put together, transmission's on, front accessories are on, starter's on, new spark plugs, the whole 9 yards. Gonna worry about the coils and then obviously headers and everything inside the car because it's easy enough to get to. The headers actually slide up from the bottom. As soon as that's all done, I'm gonna go ahead and sort out the intake throttle body situation and then running obviously PCV system and all that good stuff. So next week, I'll be going ahead and putting the engine back in the car and sort the rest of it out.